Mustang coupe. Should we get a close-up view of the Wright Brothers plane?
I can go right in there, yeah.
All right, we're gonna get a close-up view of the Wright Brothers plane so I can do a Wright Brothers plane video on MustangMedic. See, we cover everything. And here is a close-up of the plane.
Bill, it had a guy in it.
It's Will, actually. You keep calling. Actually, no, I was Bill till I was 29, so it's funny you say Will.
He was laying in here like this. It was a mannequin.
You're actually laying in it?
And he would
Look at
somehow
this.
control this thing from this position.
I know. But you talk about a face plant if you crash it.
Yeah, really. And, you know, if you were to roll it over, too, you're not really
It only got
into
it only
this.
got like 4 feet off the ground, didn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think it ever got more than, like, you guys can correct me on that, but I don't think the Wright Brothers plane, it flew, which was a miracle. It was the first flying plane.
Yeah,
But I think
I don't even know how it was powered with this motor is, but it's quite the piece.
Wow. The Wright Brothers airplane. Again, you never know what you're going to see at MustangMedic. It's a replica.
Where we start here on this part of the collection, this is the early automobiles, early 1900s. This wing, as we go down on the left, it runs through the 1920s. Then as we do a U-turn and come back the other side, it goes 30s, 40s, 50s. Now, the owner's collection pretty much ends at the 50s. And then we pick up with consignment cars, you know, of that vintage, and then up through the.
But you have consignment cars like in the 30s? Are there?
Yes, yes.
So there is a mix of them all the years.
There's a mix, but then we get real heavy on consignments in the 60s, 70s, 80s.
Mostly muscle cars?
A lot of muscle cars, a lot of street rods, hot rods, modified stuff.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to do a pan in here. This is in front of the Wright Brothers replica airplane. And there's even carriages, guys. They've even got carriages in here before the actual automobile. Again, MustangMedic brings you everything automobile.